Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the Heineken experience online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. So open up the first link and it's going to take you to this page right here from where you can get started. So what we can do is click the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates. From here, you can go and select whichever date suits you the most. Let's say the 14th right here, and then you can go and select a time slot. Let's say this one right here, and then it's going to enable you to choose your ticket. So choose how many tickets you need. I'm going to select one adult ticket for me, and then I'm going to go to the next page where I can take a look at similar experiences. If you're not interested into them, just click no thanks and go to the personal details page from where we can get started with filling out all our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. Make sure to fill it out correctly. So once you've done so, we can click next to go to the payment page. It's going to enable us to take a look at all the payment methods that are available to us. So you can choose whichever one suits you the most. You have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, and so on. So you can choose debit and credit card if you wish, or Apple Pay. I'm going to choose this one right here, and it's going to now open up this new menu from where I can get started filling out my card info. So once you've provided all your info, you can click the pay button and make the purchase. So once you have made the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on the platform. So there you have it. Go into the description of the video, go to the platform and get started with purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.